Good morning, everybody. Beautiful day in the west, I tell ya. For sunrise, Saturday morning. Looks like we're going to go on a little bit of an adventure this morning. As you can see, there's Yukon back there. Yeah, heading out for his first ice fishing trip. My son was craving some fish, so got some ice now, some safe ice. So I think we're gonna head up and we're gonna go get us some, well, probably some perch. Try for a couple walleyes for maybe this afternoon, but just go and have some fun, get some fillets for the freezer and for the dinner table tonight. And well, when we get to the lake, we'll show you guys some tricks. Well, folks, we're up here now, and this is what we got. Show you real quick. See on the graph, jig falling to the bottom. These little strike indicators we make out of guitar strings, heat shrink tape. And there's no substitute for them. They decimate all. So I just reeled it up 1 inch off the bottom. There's a bite. There's a bite. Get out of there, Yukon. You might have got my worm. I didn't want to set the hook because I wanted you guys to see just how these indicators are so important. Oh, missed him. Why don't you catch one and put one on the ice? Ready? I'm going to jig it, let it drop, and then you should just pop it right after. They might have got the worm off it. Yeah, they got the worm. Oh. Settle down. Gonna hit pause for a minute and be back with you. That's his first fish. And it looks like he's taken to ice fishing pretty well. He's gonna eat that whole damn thing. Well, son-in-law and grandson showed up. We ended up moving out to about 32, 33 foot of water. About right in the dead center of the lake. Find some deeper water. Was able to pick up some better perch. Yukon ate that whole trout that you guys saw him with earlier. Devoured that thing in a millisecond. There's Tyler! Tyler fishing? You fishing? Ice fishing? You tired? Does the sun hurt your eyeballs?
Does the sun hurt your eyes, bud?
What?
Come on, knock it off.
That indicator.
Come.
Don't,
Come on,
that
come.
was a bite. Don't, that was a bite. They're just barely tapping it today. Yeah, you're doing good, huh, Tyler?
Oh,
Look at that.
what? That one.
Did you see that bite?
Good job, don't put it in there.
Slowing. Oh, I missed him. They're slowing down a little bit, guys. Not as fast and furious. I was having bites on both these poles. I'd set one and there would be a bite there. And still biting. Tyler Reed's got one.
Dude, I caught them.
Oh, he keeps catching them little teeny ones.
Dude, I don't know how I'm catching it.
They were just going crazy a little while ago.
Yukon!
That's why we weren't filming or anything.
Dog's getting hungry.
Yeah, he's already ate one trout.
And a perch.
And a perch.
Oh, he's actually eating 3 of those baby perch.
3 baby perch, okay.
When we first got here, I gave him a couple.
Those,
Make for good snacks.
see that? That's what a bite looks like. Don't even move the rod tip of a normal lightweight rod for ice fishing.
Nice.
There's my grandson. Little quick view of the haul. Looks like we got a little filleting to do tonight. Weeded through the small perch to keep some good ones. Kept a few trout for my mom. Oh, that one's got a big old fish on it.
Oh, okay.
You got off.
They're still on.
Holy fuck! Is it still filming? You cleared in your
Oh, I didn't know it was filming. Sorry.
Yukon!
I didn't know.
Yeah, I said it was filming. That fish took it. Did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
Walked away to stack the fish up, and Tyree just rips one out of my hole.
Oh, another trout. Cool.
Another trout. So there's a picture of the haul. Not too bad. There's Cody bringing the ice out. That little tough guy's working pretty damn good today, man. Caught some good fish on that. Cody missed one. Tyler playing, That's a good one. Dancing.
Come here, bud.
See, you start playing country music and the fish bite. It's just, I don't know what it is, man. That rap killed him for a while.
I'll stay here and I'll release him to you. You hear that?
Yeah, I was just videoing. How'd you do? We got 47 10-inchers. Yeah, head out to the blood. 32. Yeah, and we got like, what, 10 trout? Yeah, we fished right in here earlier today and just getting a small one. That's a boy. That a boy. That's a good boy. Got me a sled dog.